Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, out here again working on the Halloween decor and taking a look at this fog machine that we got, the new ones that I have on the display this year. So the issue that we have is we need to figure out a way to make the fog machine work with the Light-O-Rama controller so you don't have to be out pushing the button all the time. So as it works right now, the fog machine has to have the button pushed to make it work. So we need to figure out a way that we can have the controller control the fog machine. So I've already programmed into the controller a 3-second burst every so often at opportune times. But what we need to do is figure out a way to make this controller here work and be activated with the Light-O-Rama. So to do that, we're going to use a relay, just like this one here. I'll link to all these parts in the description. Then we're going to put the relay inside of a sealed box for outside. So let's go ahead and take a look how we're going to do this. So we've disconnected the power to this little remote here. And looking at the back, we have 3 wires. The yellow with the green tracer and the blue are the 2 that get contacted with the red switch. The little brown one just has something to do with the LEDs on here and doesn't matter. So to get this to activate, all we need to do is contact those 2 wires. So the blue with the green tracer and, the yellow with the green tracer and the blue wire. So we'll go ahead and cut this cord off here and get those wires exposed and then figure out a way that we can land those on this relay. So we have our 2 sets of wires brought in now. This wire right here is going to plug into the channel on the Light-O-Rama, and the controller is going to give it just a command of on or off, at 100% on, 100% off. Then the relay is going to contact these 2 wires together, which is going to activate the controller. So we'll get this hooked up, and then we'll take a look at it. Alright, so as you can see here, we've got it hooked up. Let's see if we can focus on that. If it's plugged and unplugged, you can see, there it is. It activates and deactivates. And then also on top here, you can see this little red light that turns on and off. So now what we're going to do is we're going to land the other wire on the 2 contacts here that are actually connecting, which in this case, there's 2 of them. So this one close here on top and close on top here, and then you can have a second thing that this is controlling on the other side as well. So we're only going to use one of them. So we'll go ahead and hook that up. So there it is, all hooked up. Everything's landed on the appropriate place and in the box. We'll go ahead and close it up. And this box is just a little waterproof box. Picked all this up on Amazon. I'll link in the description. And then down here on the bottom, I'll get that centered nicely like that, and then just put a little bit of silicone around both these wires to keep it sealed up. So let's go ahead and plug it into the controller, plug the controller into the smoke machine, and we'll give it a shot. So there it is plugged in right now, and it's unplugged. We'll go ahead and plug it in again so you can see. It contacts and it activates the smoke machine. So once that plug is plugged into the Light-O-Rama controller, you'll have control of this smoke machine with the Light-O-Rama. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out the links in the description, as well as a link for that glycerin that we make the fog machine fluid with. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.